Hey everybody, this is Mark, Five Angels Outdoor, and just wanted to get back with you, follow up, do sort of like a review video on the Gazelle T410 after we've gotten several uses out of it the last few months. But let me walk you around through our setup again, and then we'll circle back after that. All right, here we are, Manatee Springs State Park, campsite walk around. We got the new Gazelle. I'll show you the inside of that in just a minute. Set up, we got a camp cooking area, a little coma grill, a little scuttle action, Yeti. All right, this is the front of the Gazelle. We have all the side windows open, getting some good airflow. But let's take you inside. Let's see what we got from a setup perspective. So we have the front room opened up, a couple beds on this side. The back area, we have a queen size air mattress set up. We have the back door available here. So the wife and I were on this side. We can go in and out that back door, not disturb the kids. Using the pockets. We're hanging lights up from here. But no, it's been a great setup. And this Gazelle tent has worked out really. It's exactly how we thought it would. So we have the rain shield up and spread out on this side. We don't on this side, just so we didn't have any strings or wires going out. I think it's worked out fine. You can roll it up nice and easy. But no, right now after first use, Gazelle tent, thumbs up. Everything's working good. It's even approved by the elf on the shelf. All right, so you can see from that, this tent really has worked out great for our family. We use it on our family camping trips. Me and the wife, we're in the back area. It works out great with the air mattress. In the front, the kids are in there with the cot and their sleeping bags. But even with the dogs jumping back and forth between both sections, it's really worked out great. The setup is much easier after 3, 4, 5 times of setting it up. We definitely have gotten that speed up to where they are sort of estimating that it would be. But really from this point, for our use, I totally recommend this Gazelle. I mean, it's so easy, so nice, wide open, and I feel it's worth it. And I mean, really, that's what it comes down to. Each person, you'll have your own, but from my point of view, tent's been great. Definitely don't regret buying it. And even maybe for solo trips, which I used this by myself at the Southeast Overland Expo this past year. But maybe even if I didn't want something so large just for me, if I was out on the road, I'd even invest maybe on just a regular T4 just for single person or just 2 people use instead of the family use. So that's what I'm going to go with. I recommend it. It's been a great tent and no regrets here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to showing you some more stuff. So take it easy and thanks. Bye.